Another day dawns and my city comes to life. This sparkling metropolis where I can come to work every day. This vibrant, cosmopolitan community at the heart of a fast-paced urban lifestyle. My city, Makati. Its prestigious business addresses, its elegant hotels and shopping malls, its sophisticated dining establishments and night spots. Makati, where everything is larger than life, where experiences are richer, and life is always at its peak. This is where I want to be. Now I can finally own a piece of luxury in my favorite city. My favorite shops and restaurants, my gym and watering holes, my very own home can all come together under one luxurious business address. It's all here at Jazz Residences. Strategically located at the corner of Nicanor Garcia and Jupiter Streets in Bel Air, Jazz Residences is a true vertical village with 4 magnificent towers rising 35 stories above a 5-level podium. Jazz Residences offers my very own private living space with places to shop, dine, relax, hang out, work out. Everything I need right at my doorstep. Jazz Residences puts me right beside the Makati Central Business District and right at the corner of renowned Reposo Street. A lively hub of artists' ateliers, specialty shops, and eclectic restaurants. I spend less time commuting to and from work and more time for things that matter. This is where I want to live, work, and play. A first-class condominium project of SM Development Corporation. With amenities at the podium, here I can relax and enjoy the modern conveniences of upscale condominium living. A swimming pool area with 3 lap pools, 2 kiddie pools, and an adult pool, a gym and fitness center, children's playground, landscape garden, jogging paths and walkways. Now that's the life. And for my everyday needs, a supermarket, hardware, bank, and other retail outlets are found at the ground floor. In a city where space is at a premium, Jazz Residences presents a rare opportunity, a unique chance to invest in prime real estate in an area that commands some of the highest rental rates in the country. Whether I choose to live in my unit or offer it up for rent, Jazz Residences assures me of the best return on my investments. Every unit looks out on a great view. There's Makati and Ortigas skylines. Enjoy the magnificent sunset view of Manila Bay. I can choose from studio units, 1-bedroom units, or the option to combine units. Finally, I can say I'm moving up. I'm moving to Jazz Residences, my very own piece of luxury in Makati.